This mango tree you're seeing was planted about a year ago. Alhamdulillah, it has already started bearing fruit, 4 mangoes so far. Although it's still not fully mature, a few trees like this have given fruits as part of a small experiment. It's truly a hopeful sign for us. Between the trees, you'll notice patches of grass growing. We cut this grass regularly and feed it to our livestock, especially our goats. This grass isn't just animal feed. It actually helps the trees too. When we remove the grass, the trees get better access to nutrients, sunlight, and space to grow. So it's a win on both sides. The trees grow faster, and our goats get natural, healthy food. Here we've got 2 Malabar spinach plants growing, and Alhamdulillah, they're doing well so far. But we'll need to move them to a different spot. Why? Because there's a mango tree nearby, and it blocks sunlight and space, so the spinach can't grow properly here. Malabar spinach is a climbing plant. If it just stays on the ground, it doesn't do well. It needs a trellis or something to climb on so it can grow upward and spread out naturally. So, inshallah, we'll be transplanting these to a better location and setting up a support structure. That way they'll have room to thrive and give us a good harvest. On the same piece of land, we're nurturing both fruit trees and animal fodder. Alhamdulillah, it's a small but beautiful example of sustainable farming.